by the fire, talking to O'Reilly's daughter. Suddenly a thought came to my head, I'd like to marry O'Reilly's daughter. Giddy-I-A, 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 for the one-eyed Reilly, giddy-I-A. Try it on your old bass drum. Oh, Reilly played on the big bass drum. Reilly had a mind for mother and slaughter. Reilly had a great big glittering eye, kept that eye on his ugly daughter. Giddy-I-A, 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 for the one-eyed Reilly, giddy-I-A. Try it on your old bass drum. She walks along Fitzgibbon Street with an independent air, and then it's down to Summerhill, at her the people stare. She says it's nearly 1:30, so I'll nip in for another little one. How the heart of the ruler's Dicey Reilly. Ah, poor old Dicey Reilly, she is taken to the sup. Poor old Dicey Reilly, she will never give it up. For it's off each morning to the hock, and she nips in for another little drop on the heart of the ruler's Dicey Reilly. She owns a little sweet shop at the corner of the street, and every evening after school I go to wash her feet. She leaves me there to mind the shop, and she nips in for another little drop on the heart of the ruler's Dicey Reilly. Ah, poor old Dicey Reilly, she is taken to the sup. Poor old Dicey Reilly, she will never give it up. For it's off each morning to the hock, and she nips in for another little drop of the heart of the ruler's Dicey Reilly. As I was going over the far from Kerry Mountains, I met with Captain Farrell, and his money he was counting. I first produced my pistol, and then produced my rapier. Hey, stand and deliver, for you are a bold deceiver. Wish you ring-de-ma-doo-de-ma-da. Whack fall the daddy-o, whack fall the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. He counted out his money, and it made a pretty penny. I put it in my pocket, and I took it to my Jenny. She sighed and she swore that she never would betray me. And the devil take the women, for they never can be lazy. With your ring-de-ma-doo-de-ma-da. Whack fall the daddy-o, whack fall the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. Now the ship that sails in half an hour across the broad Atlantic. My friends are standing on the quay with grief and sorrow frantic. I'm just about to sail away, the good ship Dan O'Leary. For the anchor's weighed and the gangway's up, I'm leaving Tipperary. Ah, goodbye Mick, goodbye Pat, goodbye Kate and Mary. The anchor's weighed and the gangway's up, I'm leaving Tipperary. And now the steam is blowing off, I have no more to say. I'm bound for New York City, boys, 3,000 miles away. Oh, goodbye Mick and goodbye Pat, goodbye Kate and Mary. The anchor's weighed and the gangway's up, I'm leaving Tipperary. And now the steam is blowing off, I have no more to say. I'm bound for New York City, boys, 3,000 miles away. I'm bound for New York City, boys, 3,000